class. Fast?
Yes.
Today is kind of a review and practice day. What are we going to be doing today?
Review practice.
So, the first thing we're going to do is preview the quiz. What are we doing first?
Review the quiz.
Second, we are going to be practicing problems. I don't know why I have review in here. What happened to my brain? That's silly. Preview the quiz.
Review quiz.
Oh, that's right. Then we are going to review strategies.
Review strategy.
Third, we have story problem practice.
Story problem practice.
And then finally,
Finally,
today you have a quiz.
we have a quiz.
So this is our first activity. I want to preview the quiz with you so that you know what you need to be ready for at the end of math today. Are you ready? So let's go ahead and peek. This is what your quiz looks like today. Okay?
You're telling us the answers?
I'm not telling you the answers. I'm showing you what you're going to be solving. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 story problems. Should you be paying attention during story problem practice today?
Yes.
Yes. One of them says a 3-story apartment building has a total of 24 apartments. There's the same number on each floor. How many apartments are there on one floor? If we know the total and we're splitting it onto floors, what type of math drawing might I use? Skylar?
Divide.
Ooh, it will be dividing because I knew that total. So what type of picture might I use to represent it? Emerson?
Equal groups. Shares.
Equal shares. I have seen people make an array to show the 3 stories before, but I would totally just do equal shares and I would be like, hey, I've got 24 total and I'm sharing it onto the 3 floors, right? That sounds very smart. Numero dos. Marcus puts shoes on 5 horses at his family's farm. How many horseshoes does he put on the horses all together? That's got some sneaky stuff. If he's putting shoes on horses, how many shoes does each horse need?
4. So it's 4.
I'm looking for that GTA. Miss Addison, how many shoes does a horse need? 4. And so, sorry, say that again. It's got 4 legs, so it's got 4 shoes. And if there's 5 horses and each one gets 4 shoes, that's like 5 groups of 4, right? So how would I draw that one, Miss River?
5 times 4.
Well, that's a good equation, but how would I represent that problem? Area model, array, equal groups, equal shares. If I've got 5 groups of 4, what type of picture would be the smartest one? I've heard from Emerson a lot. Do I need a slacker catcher?
Yeah.
5 groups of 4. What type of math drawing would that be? Skylar?
Shares.
I don't know my total, so I wouldn't be doing equal shares yet.
groups.
Equal groups, right? So I would have like, oh, here's my 5 horses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And each horse has how many shoes?
4.
4. Does this look like 5 groups of 4?
Yes.
Yes. I'm going through this slowly because I want you guys thinking about your pictures, but I also need you to stop doodling. So please stand up.
Stand up.
Gunner, stand up please and grab that marker. Numero tres.
Trace.
The 14 players on the basketball team line up in 2 equal rows to practice passing. How many players are there in each row? Oh my goodness, I heard some language that tells me what type of picture to draw this time. Hendrix? If there's rows, what am I drawing? Want to fill in the front? Yes, an array. There's 2 equal rows. So here's my first row, my second row. Do I know how many are in each row?
No.
So that's my mystery for this fast array. Do I know the total?
14.
Aha. Oh my goodness. I'm noticing 3 different types of drawing so far. We better make sure we're practicing all of those. Numero cuatro.
Numero cuatro.
Marla uses 4 cups of chicken stock for some soup that she's cooking. There are 8 ounces in each cup. How many ounces of chicken stock does Marla use? So she's got 4 cups, and there's 8 ounces in each cup. Madison, stand up. That sounds like 4 groups of 8 for me, Braylon. Equal groups. How many groups do I need?
8.
Oh, I've got someone blurting. 1 second, Braylon was sharing. How many groups do I need? 4, yes. Because there's 4 cups. And how many are in each group? Looking for that GTA. What's in each group, Madison? Nope, there's not 2 in each group. Someone I haven't heard from? Brielle?
8.
There's 8 ounces in each cup. So I see right off the bat that I have to know my equal shares. I have to know my equal groups. I need to know my fast arrays and area model. So show the area of this rectangle in square units. If it's a 3 by 6 rectangle, what can my equation be? Everybody tell me. 3 times 6 equals
something square units.
something square units. That's all you have to do for that problem.
I did it. I'm proud of you.
Things that you want to think about today when we're practicing. Do you have the right drawing? What's the first thing you want to think about?
Do you have the right drawing?
Do you have an equation, answer, and label?
You have an answer.
Equation, answer, label. What are the next 3 things? Equation, answer, label. That was your preview, so you know exactly what you need to be practicing during today's math to be ready to go. So please, sit down.
Sit